How to make Play-Doh by Wee Chicks. Items you can add to Play-Doh are fresh herbs, dried herbs, food colouring, colouring paint, essential oils such as lavender, eucalyptus, cream of tartar which gives it an extra texture and helps keep it in the fridge for longer, different flavouring like vanilla, apple, orange flavouring, rice, beans and lentils. The ingredients that you need to make basic Play-Doh is 2 cups of flour, extra for dusting, 1 cup of water, 2 tablespoons of table salt, 1 tablespoon of cooking oil, a mixing bowl and a spoon, and any other items that you may want to add to your Play-Doh. Here is a demonstration by Kelly and Matthew making the Play-Doh. So if we take our 2 cups of flour, add them into the bowl, then your cup of water. You can add your food colouring at this stage to the water as it is easier mixed. Then you want to add your salt, 2 tablespoons of salt. It is an idea to make this in the kitchen. Also put an apron round your child. Alternatively, put an old sheet on the floor. It can be very messy and the flour can get everywhere, but this is so much fun to do. There are so many things that you can do with Play-Doh. Once you have all your ingredients in the bowl, stir everything together and you will get a sticky texture. Add some flour to the area. Take your mixture out of the bowl and you want to be kneading it into the flour. While kneading it into the flour, the stickiness will disappear. Once you have it kneaded, what you do is put it in a plastic bag and you want to put it in the fridge for about half an hour. You can add paint at this stage if you don't have any food colouring, and extra flour if it is sticky. Items that you can use with Play-Doh would be shape cutters, blocks, little people, glitter, rice, animals and cars. How to store your Play-Doh. Put it in a food bag, pop it in a container and keep it in the fridge. This will last for up to a week. If you add cream of tartar, it will last longer. You can bake your Play-Doh in the oven. Heat your oven to 180 degrees. We would advise that you check on your Play-Doh approximately every 5 to 10 minutes. If they are starting to crack, turn your temperature down. It normally takes about 30 minutes for your Play-Doh to bake. Halfway through, turn your Play-Doh items over. This will help them to bake evenly. Here are some ideas that we have made ourselves at Wee Chicks. Out of our Play-Doh cutters, we made some hearts, dinosaurs and umbrellas. We painted these white once they came out of the oven and had cooled down. And then once they dried, we painted the hearts red. We also put lovely wee messages on the hearts. You are awesome, you are amazing. This ties in with our positive mental health. We also made letters as well, so we could make a sign that says Wee Chicks, and the children painted these also. These are great ideas for gifts for family members, grannies, aunties, uncles that you may not have seen in a while. And it also means that you can use this activity over several days by baking it and painting it. Thank you for watching our video.